Hey, what's up guys? Alex of Bay Cities Construction here. We're in our job site here in LA. So full remodel we're doing here. See all the walls are all stripped out. So we're doing the whole thing. We're doing new electrical, new plumbing, new flooring, new insulation. We did a earthquake bolt down. Check this out, check this out. This is a cripple wall. See that? See all that new wood down there? That cripple wall is existing. We put new plywood on top. We put those Simpson plates, you see down at the bottom there? On the top, we put A35 connectors. And then we put A35s all the way on the bottom there to cover the whole deal. So we started off doing that because it needed that. It's a 2-story house, big building. This is gonna be the new kitchen in here. In here we got our new wall for our bathroom. We gotta do all the new plumbing, tons of plumbing to do. Crazy to see all this stuff we gotta do here. I'm gonna go outside because it's a little mountain in there. So check this out. This part of the wall, see that crack right there? That moved during the earthquake. See all that spider crack? You see how the crack is horizontal? So this is where the cripple wall meets the floor system right here. So the floor is from here up, from here down, it's a cripple wall. See how big this house is? Like, it's a 2-story deal. This house weighs more, I think it's 800,000 pounds. I did the math on it. So we have to put in, we're actually here in Koreatown, expansive soil. We're near kind of a high risk area. So we had to do a lot of definitely structural one plywood and a lot of bolts. This is some of the stuff that we're doing here, but we started with the retrofit work first because once we cover up the floor, it's gonna be a lot harder to do that. We're definitely gonna pop in some new windows. It's gonna be pretty exciting. This is actually my parents' place. So, you know, I can't disappoint them. It's gotta look good. So anyway, I look forward to sharing more of this project as we evolve. We're probably gonna be here 5 or 6 months doing this thing. It's gonna be cool. I'd like to hear what your comments are, what you think. Go ahead and post below. I'd be really curious to see what your thoughts are about this project. So this is it's an old house. I think it was 1940s, and it needs a lot of work. So I look forward to sharing with you. My name is Alex of Bay Cities Construction. You don't need a contractor. You need a team of pros.